Genes, the fundamental building blocks of life, are composed of a special substance known as DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. This DNA contains the specific instructions that direct the function of each cell in our bodies. Interestingly, DNA is connected to structures called chromosomes. Visualize a chromosome as a lengthy string located within the cell's command center, known as the nucleus. Chromosomes act akin to master plans, transmitting vital information to the succeeding generation of cells. This important transmission takes place during the reproduction process, when the male cell unites with the female cell. The union of these cells produces a singular cell carrying two sets of chromosomes. Each human being possesses two full sets of 23 chromosomes, 2x23 equals 46, contributed equally by both parents. DNA, the cornerstone of life, is structured much like a spiral staircase. Each step of this staircase is formed by chemical compounds known as bases that interlock perfectly. Let's break this complex process down. Genetic codes. The science of genetics has established a four-letter code for DNA, represented by the letters A, C, G. Each letter stands for a specific base compound. DNA staircase. Every step on the DNA staircase is made up of a pair of these base compounds. The pairs are either A with T or G with C. For example, you might come across pair combinations like AT, GC, CG, or TA, forming sequences. The possible combinations of these base pairs can form an extensive variety of sequences. Instruction manual. The order in which these base compounds or letters appear on the DNA staircase forms an intricate code. This code essentially acts as an instruction manual for the cell, guiding its functions. Translating the code, the letters on the DNA staircase, such as ATGTCGAA, form words like AGCGAA, which then combine to create sentences. These sentences can be read by the genes, allowing the cell to perform its tasks. If the base sequence on one side is known, the other side can be replicated easily. DNA reproduces by splitting down the middle to separate the bases. Other bases within the cell match with the separated bases to construct two fresh DNA strands. The resulting two DNA molecules are identical to the original. The DNA in each cell of a specific organism is identical. However, the DNA of every organism is distinct from that of every other organism. The only exception is identical twins, who originate from a single fertilized egg that splits. Identical twins are the sole individuals or animals possessing identical DNA. Fraternal twins, on the other hand, don't share the same DNA as they are conceived when two distinct eggs are fertilized. Hence, if you believe you are unique with your own set of quirks, abilities, and challenges, you are absolutely correct.